This tutorial is for printer communication error, printer offline. First, you need to check your printer status by going to printer options. Look under your printer to see the status, which can be offline, which can also be ready. Sometimes the description under the printer will have no indication about the status, which means the printer is actually online. If you are using a third-party software such as Microsoft Office, when you try to print a document, you will be presented with printer options and it will show the status of your printer. It will show, for example, the printer is ready, which means the printer is actually online. Other easy solution you can try, you could restart your printer or your computer or your router to see if this does fix the problem. Make sure that the Wi-Fi signal is strong in between your printer and your router. You could also, as a temporary solution, use a USB cable to make a temporary fix for your printer. Other solutions include that if you have a third-party security such as McAfee or Norton, and you have a firewall installed, try to turn off the firewall to see if this does actually restore the printing process. You could try and reinstall the printer driver by going through printer options, select remove device, and then click on add printer again to reinstall the printer driver. Try to run the troubleshooter, select additional troubleshooters, and under printer run the troubleshooter and follow the prompt. Restart the print spooler service, which is responsible for printing. Under the search bar, type services, select print spooler, and then try to stop the service by clicking on stop, and then click on start to restart the actual service. Update the printer firmware through the options available on your printer, usually under tools or utilities. You could also do that on your Microsoft Windows options for the printer. Install a newer and older driver that is different from the currently installed driver and see if this does improve the functionality of the printer. Finally, you can try the Windows 10 generic drivers by selecting Microsoft available drivers. For some printer this does actually work. Thank you.